But when it comes to the opposition leaders who are also raising the Manipur issue to attack the Prime Minister during his Moscow visit, they say that the Prime Minister can go abroad, but he doesn't have time to spare for his own state, Manipur, that has been witnessing violent ethnic conflict for over a year. The opposition's attack came at a time when Rahul Gandhi, being the leader of the opposition, for the first time visited Manipur after becoming the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha.
नॉन बायोलॉजिकल प्रधानमंत्री मॉस्को जा रहे हैं। राहुल जी नेता प्रतिपक्ष लोकसभा में वो मणिपुर गए हैं। पिछले 17 महीने में प्रधानमंत्री ने मणिपुर के बारे में कुछ कहा ही नहीं और मणिपुर तो गए ही नहीं, कुछ 4-5 घंटे के लिए भी नहीं गए हैं।
Rahul Gandhi's attempt in Manipur is to bring about peace, to send a message of solidarity. But Mr. Modi doesn't just care. He just doesn't care about Manipur. He hasn't been there for over a year. He goes to every part of the globe, from Moscow to Britain to Greece to US. But the only place he doesn't find time or perhaps intends to go is Manipur.
Our leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji, is visiting Manipur today. In the meantime, Prime Minister Modi has never visited Manipur. BJP is ruling Manipur, but they are not ready to heal the wounds of the people. Rahul Gandhi ji is a leader who stands with the people who are in pain.
Now, even when it comes to the BJP countering the Congress by citing data, the number of deaths in northeastern state that has been reported when the Congress was ruling it right from 1990s. BJP says that between 1990 and 2012, when the Congress party was in power in the state, many including civilians and security personnel lost their lives in ethnic clashes. The BJP also accused the Congress of selective outrage, asking that why did not Rahul Gandhi visit Tamil Nadu or West Bengal, which have also witnessed incidents of violence.
अब राहुल गांधी विपक्ष के नेता हैं, उनसे कुछ जिम्मेवारी की अपेक्षा की जाती है, ये मैं जरूर कहूंगा। वहां पर अमित शाह जी कितने दिन रहे, वहां राज्य गृह मंत्री नित्यानंद राय कितने दिन रहे, हमेशा पूरे मणिपुर पर मलहम लगाने की कोशिश की जा रही है। जब भी चीजें ठीक होने की कोशिश होती है, क्या राहुल गांधी तनाव बढ़ाने का काम करते हैं? ये ठीक है क्या?
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी का मॉस्को विजिट का मकसद कंस्ट्रक्टिव है। पप्पू जी के मणिपुर विजिट की मंशा डिस्ट्रक्टिव है। तो एक तरफ कंस्ट्रक्टिव जो विजिट की मकसद हो, देश की सुरक्षा, देश की सार्वभौमिकता को सशक्त करना, उसको मजबूत करना, और दूसरी तरफ जो है वो मणिपुर आपकी विजिट के मकसद मंशा आपकी जो है वो वहां की सुरक्षा पर पलीता लगाने की कोशिश करना, उस पर पॉलिटिक्स करना, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है।
Well, politics over Manipur, Sabyasachi, as the point that is now being raised on part of the opposition, the BJP has been calling it as selective outrage or selective sympathy.
Well, absolutely. So the BJP has been calling it as outrage, as a selective sympathy. See, the BJP has been questioning that why did Mr. Rahul Gandhi not visit West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, where violence also took place. See, time and again, the BJP has warned the opposition leaders not to politicize the Manipur issue. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Rajya Sabha, in fact, said that the normalcy is returning into Manipur, and he is warning the MPs not to politicize or play politics over the Manipur issue. See, yesterday when Mr. Rahul Gandhi visited Manipur, he in fact, while holding the press conference, said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should visit Manipur, should meet the people from Manipur, and the opposition leaders will support if the government do anything to make sure that the peace is returned to the state. Meanwhile, several Congress leaders have come out and said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi does not have time to visit Manipur, yet he is going to visit Russia or the other countries. Meanwhile, clearly the BJP stated that Rahul Gandhi's visit to Manipur is destructive, whereas Prime Minister's Narendra Modi's visit to Russia or any other country is constructive because it would at the end benefit the country.
All right, that's the point that is now coming in. Over the Prime Minister's visit to Russia, of course, all of when it comes to the linkages that are also being drawn to the visit of the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, to Manipur, where he has been visiting relief camps in at least 3 different districts of the state of Manipur. For the moment, Sabyasachi, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching the Morning News now. We're going to be back after a very, very short break.